Hi everyone, welcome back to Browsify. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to choose and customize themes for your Shopify store step by step. Whether you're just starting or looking to give your store a fresh look, this guide will help you find the perfect theme and set it up in no time. Let's dive right in. First, on the left-hand menu, go to Online Store. This is where you manage your store's look and feel. If you scroll down, you'll find the Theme Store button. Click it, and Shopify will take you to a collection of free and paid themes designed for all types of businesses. If you're starting out, I recommend exploring the free themes first. They're easy to use and still look professional. To filter for free themes, click Free on the left-hand side of the theme store. Once you find a theme you like, click on it to view a demo. If it fits your vision, just hit Try Theme and it'll be added to your theme library. From there, click Publish to make it live on your store, for those who want more design flexibility or advanced features. Consider looking into third-party themes. Platforms like ThemeForest offer a wide range of high-quality themes at more affordable prices compared to Shopify's paid themes. Once you purchase a theme, download the zip file. Then go back to your Shopify dashboard, click Upload Theme, and follow the prompts. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution, you might want to check out themes like Minimock. You can use this theme by heading to this website and following the steps I am demonstrating here. After successfully connecting, choose the theme you would like to use. I will guide you on how to edit these themes the way you want in another video. You can see it in the description. If you don't want to use these themes, you can delete it right away by click here. And that's it. Whether you stick to Shopify's built-in themes, explore third-party options, or invest in a premium theme, you can create a store that looks professional and matches your vision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.